Welcome to our informational video on Judaism, one of the oldest monotheistic religions in the world, with a rich history and a deep-rooted connection to the Holy Land. Judaism is the religious, philosophical, and cultural tradition of the Jewish people, a group of people who trace their origins back to the ancient Hebrews. At the core of Judaism is the belief in one God, who created the universe and continues to govern it with justice, compassion, and wisdom. This belief in one God sets Judaism apart from many other ancient religions that believed in multiple deities. The holy book of Judaism is the Tanakh, which is an acronym for the three distinct sections it contains: the Torah, Nevi'im, and Ketuvim. The Torah, also known as the Five Books of Moses, contains the foundational texts of Judaism, outlining the creation of the world, the covenant between God and the Jewish people, and the laws and teachings that guide Jewish life. The Nevi'im, or the prophets, contain stories of the early prophets who helped to guide the Israelites through various challenges and crises. The Ketuvim, or the writings, is a diverse collection of poetic, narrative, and philosophical texts that explore the human experience and the relationship between God and humanity. One of the most admirable aspects of Judaism is its strong emphasis on ethical behavior and social justice. The religion teaches that all people are created in the image of God and therefore deserve to be treated with dignity and respect. This principle is reflected in many Jewish laws and customs, which encourage acts of kindness, charity, and the pursuit of peace. Another positive aspect of Judaism is its focus on education and the pursuit of wisdom. Jewish tradition places a high value on the study of sacred texts and the cultivation of intellectual and spiritual growth. This emphasis on learning has given rise to countless Jewish scholars, philosophers, and scientists who have made significant contributions to human knowledge throughout history. The history of Judaism is a story of resilience and survival in the face of adversity. The Jewish people have faced numerous challenges throughout their history, including enslavement in Egypt, the destruction of their temple in Jerusalem, and the horrors of the Holocaust. Yet, despite these hardships, the Jewish people have remained steadfast in their faith and have continued to thrive as a people and a culture. One of the most significant events in Jewish history was the Exodus from Egypt, which is commemorated each year during the holiday of Passover. This event, described in the Torah, tells the story of how the ancient Israelites, led by the prophet Moses, escaped from slavery in Egypt and journeyed through the desert to the Promised Land. The Exodus serves as a powerful symbol of freedom and redemption, reminding Jews of their unique covenant with God and their responsibility to work towards a more just and compassionate world. Another important chapter in Jewish history is the reign of King Solomon, who built the first temple in Jerusalem and established the city as the spiritual center of the Jewish people. The temple served as the focal point of Jewish religious life for centuries, until it was destroyed by the Babylonians in 586 BCE. The destruction of the temple marked the beginning of the Jewish diaspora, as many Jews were exiled from their homeland and forced to rebuild their lives in foreign lands. Throughout their long history, the Jewish people have faced persecution and discrimination at the hands of various empires and nations. One of the darkest periods of Jewish history was the Holocaust, during which 6 million Jews were systematically murdered by the Nazis and their collaborators. This tragic event has had a profound impact on Jewish identity and has served as a reminder of the ongoing need to combat hatred and prejudice. In conclusion, Judaism is a rich and complex religious tradition that has shaped the lives of millions of people throughout history. Its teachings emphasize the importance of ethical behavior, social justice, and the pursuit of wisdom, while its history serves as a testament to the resilience and determination of the Jewish people. By exploring the beliefs, texts, and historical events that define Judaism, we can gain a deeper understanding of this ancient and enduring faith.